To add Peacock to a Samsung Smart TV, first check if your device supports the Peacock app, as only 2017 model year and later Samsung Smart TVs are compatible. You can verify this by visiting peacocktv.com for a list of supported devices. Next, navigate to your home screen and type Peacock in the search bar located at the top right corner. Then click on the Peacock app icon. Select Install on the new tab that appears. Once the app has been installed, you can find it on your home screen. If it's not there, you can access it by selecting the Apps option. To add the Peacock app to your home screen, go to the Apps section. Click on Settings in the top right corner. Highlight the Peacock app, and then click Add to Home. By following these steps, you can easily add Peacock to your Samsung Smart TV.